Yeah.
And my landlord, she just did the worst thing that she could do. She panicked, called the cop, and it's like waving at the dog, making the dog hang more out the window.
Wow.
We will get you back to Britain. Your first ride on the 508 is somewhat eventful.
Yeah. 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 I'm liking this route, to be honest.
Huh?
I said I'm liking this route.
You're liking the route? It's short. It's very straightforward. And my only concern is people missing connections and then their pass running out. You know what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm.
But otherwise, I mean, some parts of it make sense.
Yeah. I like this route. Yeah. I love the 504.
And you know the best part? Even with that delay, we will still get down there for you to catch the buses for the Newington buses.
Mm-hmm.
It's such a short run.
Yep. That way people are able to make connections like the 63 and the 144.
Pardon?
Well,
I didn't hear what you were saying. The bridge thing is rattling.
the good news is that when passengers get to Newington, they can get on the 63 and the 144. I love this route, by the way, Mr. Green.
Have you ridden the 509 since they changed it today? They changed that too.
Yep. Yeah, I know. I've ridden the 509 before.
Yeah, the 509 doesn't go up East Main Street anymore. It goes up Chestnut Street.
Yep.
So that everything is changing.
Yep.
Definitely gonna want to check that one out.
Yeah. Yeah. Because the 41 is now discontinued.
The 41 is discontinued,
Yep.
and the 508 and the 63 are taking its place. The 509 is changing the route that it takes, and I think during the weekdays the 510 will be running a little bit differently time-wise.
That's good.
So you're definitely gonna want to check into those if those are runs that you every
Uh-huh. too. By the way, I'm on A26 again. Like I said, this is a 2010 D35LFR powered by a Cummins ISL engine, 8.9 liter, paired with the Allison B400R 6-speed automatic transmission. I would love to see the new buses on the express routes like the 923 and the 920. I would love to see the new buses on the express routes.
New buses currently are only going to be used on the transit ones because that's all we've gotten our transits yet. We haven't gotten any buses for our express routes yet. Hartford may be getting some newer ones. I'm not sure. We're just kind of in that let's wait and see mode. If we get the new commuter-sized buses, the MCIs, it'll be wonderful. If not, hey, hopefully we'll at least get some new to us buses. So something with a little bit less mileage, you know?
Yeah.
Because we've got some pretty old ones in the fleet for Waterbury.
Yeah, the old MCIs.
Yep. They handle nice, don't get me wrong. I like how they handle. The steering is well broken in, meaning that it turns well, at least for me.
Yeah.
Because I've been driving buses now for 12 years. The newer ones are a little bit tighter, so it's harder to make all those really tight turns. But I'm excited for the new buses on the transit runs. That like this bus, you'll see it out here. You'll see it on the 509, 510, and you know it's gonna be good. The AC works great. The seats are comfortable. You're able to charge your phones now,
Yeah.
and the Wi-Fi works.
Mm-hmm.
So if you need to buy your pass, you're actually able to log into the Wi-Fi on the bus and do it. Downside is they're just recycling the fare boxes, so we end up with the older fare boxes. So they still may have some issues with those.
Yeah, I know. They need to get new fare boxes.
That's system-wide. That's all the companies are having problems because all the fare boxes are very old. They were more than 5 years old when I was training on them, and that was 6 years ago. So we're looking at fare box systems that are more than 10 years old. So there definitely is room for improvement on those.
Yeah, they gotta get new fare boxes. They've had these since 2017.
Yeah. Well, this bus here is a 2010.
Yeah.
So this has probably had the same style fare box in it all that time,
Mm-hmm.
to be perfectly honest.
Yeah. I will. Yep. Yeah. Hey, do you know Jennifer?
Jennifer, the girl that used to drive for us in the red shirt?
Yeah.
Yes.
Well, I haven't seen her in a while.
And if it was Jennifer with the glasses, she's driving for Greyhound. If it was Jennifer that was a little on the heavier side, she is driving horse trailers back and forth to Florida and places.
So she doesn't work for DATCO anymore?
Neither one of Jennifer that that drives the horse trailers, she occasionally does. Which one did you mean?
Yes. The one that you used to be on the 928.
They both drove, but I think it was more Jennifer that's driving the horses now. She may occasionally come out and drive. She hasn't been out though in a while because she's been very busy with the horse trailer work.
Yeah. I missed her. I haven't seen her I haven't seen her since 2023.
It's been a couple months.
Yeah.
Her husband is driving though.
Yep.
Alright, you have a great day.
Hey. 2007 Honda Civic. Here we go.